Welcome to Draw with Bee. Today we are drawing the cutest fish ever with nice lips. You will need your pencils. You will also need a marker. You will also need some colouring markers to colour in your fish, whatever colour you like. I've chosen orange today. I have also used some glitter pens for the beautiful scales on this fish and glitter pens for the bubbles. So please yourself if you want to add some more detail. If you need some more time, please remember to pause the video, take your time drawing your masterpiece, and most of all, have fun. Bye!